Okay guys, so the batteries have arrived, and as you can see, they're right here. I had to order some batteries because we did not have any, and these are specifically rechargeable batteries because we're going to be using these a lot. So I put it on the controller. Now let's see how this works. Okay, so we got the controller. I'm gonna, it says warning, place all switches in their up position and lower the throttle. Throttle is, and these are already up. Okay, so this is what the monitor displays. So yeah, we have batteries and the controller is working. Okay guys, everything is ready to be printed and everything is right here in this SD card. This will be traveling all the way to the 3D printer. It will help us print everything and it will come back. Okay, those are the arms. They're currently being printed. I don't know if you can see that, but it says 3 hours and 12 minutes left. I think they're going pretty good.
There they are.
Ooh, very nice.
Beautiful, right? You're the Nike, you're here, so let you handle that.
Nice. Now we got all four.